Hello guys, in today's lecture we will learn how to import high resolution and high definition image from Google Earth, and then we can use it to import in AutoCAD or AutoCAD Civil 3D. So first we need to set the units of Google Earth. So go to Tools, Options, and in Show Lat and Long you need to select Universal Transverse Marker TM because this is a universal system for easting and northing, or I should say coordinates, and the units of measurement should be metric, meters and kilometers. Click OK. Now the angle of this view should be perfectly perpendicular. So press R so that your image comes exactly vertical. Now you also need to click on this N icon. So in case if your coordinates are rotated, they may get properly aligned. Now go to the files. In the save, click on save image, and here you can select the resolution maximum for 4800 by 2328. This is more than 4K Ultra HD, and in the map options you need to turn off all these options. Give it any name, image 1, click save, and shortly this will be downloaded. So here you can see that we have successfully downloaded high resolution image.